Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add clouds onto an image on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Snapseed application to open it up. And now you can use the open button or the plus icon to open up any image that you would like to edit. Now just open up the image on which you would like to add your clouds. And now make sure you also have an image of the cloud that you wish to add downloaded on your device. Once you have downloaded your cloud, tap on the Tools option and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. You can now tap on the plus image icon to open up the image of this cloud. Now first of all, go ahead and reposition where you want your clouds to appear on your image. After placing them roughly in the location that you want them to appear, you can now choose the opacity. Tap on the opacity option at the bottom and then move it to the left so that it is almost invisible. Then tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. Now just tap on the Edit Stack button at the top and then tap on View Edits. From here, tap on the Double Exposure option and now tap on the middle button, which will allow you to manually fine-tune. Now go ahead and click on Invert, and now just cover the area of the sky where you want the cloud to appear. Once you have covered the entire area, tap on the Invert button and now make sure that Mask is selected and turned on. You can then tap on the tick mark and now your clouds will appear within your image. You can choose the opacity level once again from the double exposure menu by tapping on the settings option. Now you can change your opacity level so that the cloud appears perfectly and tap on the tick mark, and now you will notice that within your image the cloud has appeared as if it was already there to begin with. You can now tap on the export button in order to export your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add clouds onto your photo on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.